Hi, this is Rachelle, Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to work in the Dollar Tree planner, which is in this B6 notebook cover by Moterm. This is the actual Dollar Tree planner. I will eventually get around to decorating the cover, but this planner will be given away at the end of the year. So if you would like to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you comment below. I also do the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Planner Challenge. In this planner, this is the last week that I did. The prompt was roll bounce. So we're moving on to the next week. The prompt for this week is Freedom Day, which has to do with Juneteenth. I know this planner is basically undated, but I do try to do holiday celebration type spreads for any holidays or celebrations that come up in the challenge. So even though it's undated and it can be used at any time by the recipient, they will have spreads for different occasions included. So we're going to do the Freedom Day or Juneteenth spread. I have these washies from Cookie Sticker Co that I'm going to be using. And I have these printables. I've used these before, but these are from CHELA Creates. And I'll be using some of these. I'm kind of thinking I should use this in the header. All right, so let's stop before we go any further. I need some black washi on this. Let's see. This is from Simply Gilded. It's like an embossed washi, but the embossing is so light, can barely tell which way is up. So I think it goes this way. So I'm just going to run this across. Let's see if I might need a little white out. But let's see what else we can do. Maybe we can do a couple of these up top. Let's go ahead and put down the remaining washi. I really wanted to use this one with the symbol on it, but maybe I should use the melanin. Let's try the melanin, because I kind of like that too. So that's the washi tape. I don't feel like it goes that great with what I have in the header, but I'm just going to try and work around that for now. Do I want to use one of these fists? Let's see if one of these Juneteenth afros will work up here. Or do I want to use the 1865 Juneteenth? Let's see. I think I'll put the fro up there. Put the little fro here. I'm going to use the big one of these. Then maybe I'll use a couple of pieces of this to tie it in. Let's see. Let's trim that. Put it here. Okay, so that helps pull things together. I really wanted to use one of these eyes. Probably should have put the eye up there, but that's okay. I think that's enough of that. All right, so all these stickers are from CHELA Creates. Let's see what days of the week I want to use. We got Dated Basics from Cal of a Plan. Let's see if we can use one of these. I need to put this heart somewhere too. Let's just stick it right there temporarily. And I think I will use these gold days of the week. I might end up moving that fist over. I wonder, can this go over the fist? No, I don't like that. Let's move the fist. Let's put a little glue under that. Help hold it in place. Since it wants to lift. So I'm okay with the heart being there. Maybe I want to put another heart somewhere. Like here. So I got 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3. We got 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we want to use any of these boxes. I'm gonna quit there because I could just keep going, and I want to leave space to write. There's no real florals. Yikes. I do have these black and white florals that I have been holding on to. Can I work these in somehow? All right, I'm gonna stop there. I think that is more than enough. It's probably too much, but that is it for this weekly setup. The prompt was Freedom Day, which is Juneteenth, June 19th to be exact. So I used all stickers from CHELA Creates except for the boxes, which are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. And the date of the week stickers are from the date book from the paper studio at Hobby Lobby. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you'd like to play along with the challenge, the prompts are available in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. They are pinned in the featured section up at the top. Depending on what device you're using, you may have to scroll a bit to see the 2022 list, but they are there. If you do play along, please tag me on social media, Instagram, Twitter. I don't know if you can tag on Pinterest, but wherever you post, you should be able to find me as at Scrapcraftastic on that platform. I'm even on TikTok. So again, I don't know if you can tag me on TikTok because I don't use it that much, but I am there. So tag me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may enjoy these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.